In the Netherlands, the annual rainfall on a roof of 100 square meters is approximately 80,000 liters. The cleanliness of the rainwater is determined by the surface of the roof. Each drain pipe is fitted with a filter that filters the rainwater to 400 microns. As the water clings to the inside of the pipe, approximately 95% of the rainwater is drawn through a filter. Gradually, the rainwater enters the tank. A wall unit keeps the entire system under control. If the water level in the tank falls below a certain level, the wall unit in the home will supplement it. If too much water enters the tank, it will be drained via the overflow to an infiltration unit or surface water. Every year, the average family uses approximately 30,000 liters of water for the toilet. Rainwater is also perfectly suitable for the washing machine. If rainwater is not used, it can be infiltrated. The rainwater flows via the gutter to the rainwater drain pipe, through a leaf separator which removes the leaves and coarse dirt, and a dirt separation chamber that is fitted with a filter. The filtered rainwater is deposited into the infiltration unit via a green pipe for clean rainwater. The units are as leaky as sieves and are extremely robust due to the column structure. The rainwater is able to flow out in all directions. The units are wrapped in geotextiles, which are designed to prevent the inflow of sand and to inhibit root growth. In the case of local disconnection of small, relatively clean surfaces, excellent use can be made of the infiltration chamber. The infiltration pit carries the designation infiltration rainwater and can be cleaned just like a normal gully. The infiltration chamber's sump is based on corrugated piping. This pipe is also wrapped in geotextiles. The rainwater disappears through the slits in the pipe and through the geotextiles into the ground. In the case of collective infiltration, several buildings and/or gullies are connected to the same infiltration system. The IT sewage system consists of corrugated pipes wrapped in geotextiles and connected to sand chambers via inspection holes. The IT sewage system can be inspected and cleaned at those points. The IT sewage system offers several solutions. Not only does it buffer, transport, and infiltrate rainwater, but it also drains the soil and irrigates water. As a result, it is possible to regulate groundwater levels almost completely. Here too, the rainwater drains out through the slits and geotextiles. It is also possible to infiltrate collectively by means of buffers built up of infiltration units. The units are ideally suited to the creation of large underground spaces. Wadis are also to serve as a collective infiltration system. They are literally dry, shallow ditches that are perfect for infiltration. The wadis will catch the initial volumes of rainwater through paved surface. All dirt is held back in the first layer. The bottom layer of the wadi consists of infiltration units set in coarse sand, which buffer and distribute the rainwater. Once a street becomes too polluted, it is no longer possible to simply disconnect it. Smart drain consists of gullies with a filter and a separating chamber. In the gullies, the rainwater is cleared of coarse dirt such as leaves, twigs, and cans. Through the collector pipe, a storage can be created. The rainwater with fine dirt is then transported to the separating chamber. The separating chamber is fitted with a drainage limiter that ensures that the initial polluted rainwater is discharged to the sewage drain. The relatively clean rainwater is then drained separately through a green pipe for clean rainwater to the infiltration system or surface water.